In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage a booking on Trip.com. Open the Trip.com app on your phone and give it a moment to load. If you're prompted to log in, sign in with the same account you used to make the reservation. This keeps all your bookings synced and ensures you see the most accurate details, including any special rates or membership benefits linked to your profile. If the app asks for permissions or updates, it's a good idea to allow them and update first so everything runs smoothly. From the home screen, navigate to your bookings. Depending on your app version, you may see a Bookings or Account tab at the bottom. Tap it, then choose All Bookings to view everything in one place. This section groups your trips, and you can usually filter by upcoming or past stays. If you have many reservations, use the search or filters to quickly find what you need. Next, tap the specific booking you want to manage. This opens the reservation details page where you can review the property or flight name, dates, guests, and the order number. Take a quick moment here to confirm the basics, dates, room type, and cancellation policy so you know what's currently set and what may be flexible. Look for the Manage Booking option on this screen. It may appear as a button or a link, sometimes labeled Manage Order. Tap it to open the list of available actions. If you're asked to confirm your choice with a button labeled Book or Select, go ahead and tap that to proceed. Think of it as the app's way of ensuring you're choosing the right reservation or action before making changes. Now, choose the action you need. For changing dates, the app will check availability and show any price differences. Make sure you review the new total and confirm only if it suits you. For canceling an order, carefully read the cancellation policy on the confirmation screen. Some rates are refundable up to a deadline, while others may have fees. If you need an invoice, select Request Invoice and enter the required billing details exactly as needed for accounting. Processing can take a little time. If you want to reach the property, choose Contact Hotel to send a message or view the contact options. Keep your messages inside the app when possible, as it creates a helpful record of your conversation. Once you've completed your action, return to the booking details to verify the update. You should also check your email or in-app messages for a confirmation. That's it. Your Trip.com booking is now managed confidently and correctly.